मैं मिस्टर रमेश तेकवानी साहब को ख्वाहिश करता हूं कि आप डाइस पर तशरीफ़ लाएं। साथ में डायरेक्टर आईएमसी आप भी डाइस पर तशरीफ़ लाएं। मैं डायरेक्टर साहब से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं कि मिस्टर तेकवानी साहब को मोमेंटो पेश करें। Mr. Ramesh Tekwani is a creative director of Take One Audio Visual Private Limited. He is a writer, director, producer. इनके लिए एक तालियां हो जाएं। Written and director over 500 presentation, shorts, advertisement, films and documentary including business video and TV serials. Scripted India first feature-length video cookbook. President, Docs and Shorts Executive Committee members, Film Federation of India. Been an observer at Doc is at SRFTI, Kolkata for 3 years to study and understand trend and requirement for producing and marketing documentaries and shorts. Actively reaching out to India filmmakers from region all across the country, making films of all genres, languages and duration that stand distinct from Bollywood, seeking to connect them with one another within India, Asian Pacific and world, and presenting them together with mainstream Hindi cinema, Bollywood, as a rich, wholesome and delightful feast of Indian content. Simultaneously, Mr. Ramesh has worked with media and other educational institutions to create effective audio-visual training curricula and program, grassroots level and upwards, to create employable individual who will make one contribute to the making of good, engaging cinema and alternate content. As recent as August 2018, Mr. Ramesh has successfully completed a 4-month, 250 hours intensive master diploma program in Train the Trainer conducted by Indian Academy of Training and Development, IATD. सर का आज टॉपिक है न्यू मीडिया एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर डॉक्यूमेंट्री.
And coming from a background of advertising where I used to earn my primary living, विज्ञापन इश्तिहार में लिखता था, वहाँ कहा जाता था कि you're as good as your last job, है ना. तो मैं हमेशा यही लेके चलता हूँ कि जो मैंने काम कल किया, जितनी शोहरत मिलनी थी, जितने पैसे मिलने थे मिलते थे. अब ये कोई मुगले आजम और शोले तो है नहीं कि जब पैसे की कड़की हो गई तो थिएटर में रिलीज कर दिया और 2 पैसे आ गए. पर आपको जानकर दुख होगा कि रमेश सिप्पी वो नहीं कर सकता है. जीपी सिप्पी अपने पोते को देकर चले गए थे. खैर, अच्छा, कितने लोग यहां अंग्रेजी में सोचते हैं, कितने हिंदी में जानते हैं? कैन आई बी बाइलिंगुअल? यू आर कंफर्टेबल आइदर वे ना? थैंक यू वेरी मच. क्यों मुझे मालूम नहीं होता कि कौन सी लैंग्वेज में मैं बोल रहा हूँ. जो शब्द उचित होता है वो निकल आता है मुझसे, है ना. और जब भी शब्द उचित होते हैं तो नाम क्या आता है? ए बी, आमीन, बिस्मिल्लाह, अल्लाह, गॉड, ये सब आते हैं. ये सब ABD सीरीज होती हैं. अगर इन शब्दों को आप जानते हो, कुछ भी आप ताने बाने मरोड़ कर, यू कैन वीव एनीथिंग इफ यू नीड दीज वर्ड्स बिकॉज दैट इज योर ओरिजिन. खैर, आपको एक चीज बता दूं, इट्स बाय वे ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन विच वॉज नॉट देयर इन माई बायोडेटा और थिंग दैट वॉज रेड आउट, कि जो यहां के डायरेक्टर साहब हैं, इनकी हमारा पुराना परिचय है. और कभी दोस्तों के साथ सामने डींगे वींगे मत मारा करो कि कहीं वो याद रखते हैं. और जब याद रखते हैं, 1 मिनट साहब, तो उचित वक्त पर उसका उपयोग भी करना चाहते हैं. तो जब साहब डिप्टी डायरेक्टर थे इफ़ी में, तो मैंने कहा कि एक न्यू मीडिया पे करते हैं. न्यू मीडिया क्या है? कल गए दुकान में, पॉकेट खोल कर आए, उसमें मीडिया लिखा था, न्यू मीडिया। केले की खाल छिल दी, छिलका फेंक दिया, मीडिया है। नाउ हु कैन टेल मी व्हाट इज न्यू मीडिया? डज एनीवन नो व्हाट न्यू मीडिया इज ऑल अबाउट? 99% of you don't know. Very good. हवा में कुछ भी बोल दिया। 3 दिन से you are attending a workshop. You know, some guy called Ramesh Tekwani is going to do new media opportunities. Opportunities is the key word, the connector between documentaries and, you know, new media. And you all haven't read what new media is all about. हैं जी? फिफ्थ एस्टेट, उसकी स्पेलिंग मुझे नहीं आती है। मैडम जी, सब लोग बोलते हैं सरल तरीके से। अभी नौटियाल साहब ने कहा कि, है ना, सरल भाषा में बोलो। सरल भाषा का मतलब क्या? डज नॉट मीन ABC। सरल भाषा ये कि कान तक आए और आपको पता भी नहीं है, अंग्रेजी शब्द इस्तेमाल करूंगा तो यू हर्ड इट, but listening is another story. Listening, it means going in, going inside, you understanding and being able to absorb it so that you can use it tomorrow. Correct? So new media. Oh, there are many definitions in the internet. और चूंकि हम एडवर्टाइजिंग वाले हैं तो हम सर्फ पे काम किए हैं, क्या कहें, निरमा पे काम किए हैं, एरियल पे काम किए हैं और टाटा के तो सब साबुनों पे काम किए, है ना। द बेसिक जॉब इज टू वॉश द डर्ट, यू थिंक फ्रॉम योर कॉन्शियंस, बट आपके हाथ धो देता है, आपके कपड़े धो देता है, ठीक है। तो न्यू मीडिया फर्स्ट in today's definition, as stated from a universe of one by Mr. Ramesh Tekwani, who's trying to claim copyright on it, but it is not his. It is the essence of discussions with my friends and people who are knowledgeable. New media today is something from which the new media, the new word cannot be removed. नई दिल्ली दिल्ली बन गई, नया पैसा पैसा बन गया, लेकिन न्यूजीलैंड ही रहा, न्यूयॉर्क ही रहा। Why? Because New York keeps reinventing itself every day, and New Zealand, there's so much more to discover. 5000 पुराना सिविलाइजेशन इंडिया है, there is so much to discover here, पर हमें अपने बाथरूम का रास्ता नहीं मालूम है। Believe it or not, when you want to go very desperately, you don't know where your bathroom is. Your brain does not work. You'll go banging here, banging there, and you'll go to the neighbor's bathroom because your bathroom is locked. Now you wonder, what is the relevance? At any given point, anything that you do should have relevance. So new media says, शब्द new media कभी आप निकाल नहीं सकते हो। तो इसका मतलब क्या? Media is what? Oh, is it a tape? Is it a disc? Is it a celluloid? Yes, that is media, but that is not new media as I will define it for you and as some of us have come to a consensus. Is new media television or cinema or this or that? Perhaps, perhaps not. What is that one definition that will never change? What is an axiom? And what is Satya Vachan? New media is a way to see. नजरिया, देखने का नजरिया। पहले क्या होता था? यू यूज्ड टू गो टू अ थिएटर, विलियम शेक्सपियर ने कुछ लिख दिया है, वाल्मीकि ने कुछ लिख दिया है और नाटक होते थे। फिर चाहे इट इज नौटंकी और एनीथिंग दैट गोज, इट इज ऑल अ वे ऑफ सीइंग। फिर लूमियर ब्रदर्स को पता नहीं क्या लगी, उन्हें फिल्म बना दी। अब फिल्म चल रही थी तो किसने बोला क्या करें, आवाज डाल दें, तो किसने आवाज डाल दी। तो पता चला ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में मजा नहीं आता है तो किसने उसको रंगीन बना दिया। अच्छा, ये अच्छा नहीं लगता है तो किसने उसको ऐसे स्ट्रेच कर दिया, किसने उसको घुमा दिया, किसने और बड़ा बना दिया। तो ऑल दिस चेंज्ड एंड देन वी हैड टू गो टू थिएटर टू सी इट, ऑन टेलीविजन टू सी इट। टुडे यू कैन सी इट हियर, यू कैन कैरी इट विथ यू। पहले टिकट खरीदना पड़ता था, पैसे तो हमेशा देने पड़ते हैं। प्लीज, यू हैव टू पे फॉर एवरीथिंग, नथिंग इज फॉर फ्री। सो आइदर यू आर पेइंग मनी फॉर इट or you're paying it with your life, you're giving your time. If all of you watch Blade Runner, you know what I'm talking about. वो पाव किलो मीट के लिए अपने 2 घंटे उसको दे देता है और खा लेता है. सो योर टाइम इज योर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. सो इफ यू आर मेकिंग अ साइंस प्रोग्राम, तो फिर क्या होता है, पानी को लेते हैं और फिर उसको एक शीशे के बीकर में डालते हैं, ऊपर रखते हैं और फिर वो बर्नर को लेते हैं, गैस को स्विच ऑफ. क्या जरूरत है करने की, नौटियाल साहब ने बोल दिया. पानी को उबालते हैं, गैस लग गई, पानी उबल रहा है. उबलते पानी में मेंढक डाल दिया, मेंढक कूद के बाहर आ गया. पर ठंडे पानी में मेंढक डाला, उबाला तो मेंढक उबल गया. यू कैन हैव लवली बॉइल्ड एग्स. यू हर्ड दैट स्टोरी, आई डोंट हैव टू टेल यू दैट. ऑलराइट. और हम लोग सब, अधिकतर लोग ऐसे ही अपनी जिंदगी में घुलते मिलते हैं और भूल जाते हैं. मोस्ट पीपल ब्लेम देयर वाइफ्स. प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. ब्लेम योरसेल्फ. You do not want to get out of that boiling water because it has been, the heat has been growing. All right. I have been fortunate, very fortunate, and why I'm standing here, so you guys better know that I'm qualified here, that I started my life with ISRO. I used to make science programs for village school children, और उन्होंने बैठ के देखा है. पहले तो मास्टर जी आते नहीं थे खोलने के लिए, फिर वो टीवी चलाते थे, फिर बच्चों को भेजते थे कि घर पे खेत पे ना भेजे, आए. उसके बाद पावर होना चाहिए था. ऑल दीज थिंग्स, दीज आर द चैलेंजेस दैट वर देयर. एनीहाउ, आई डू नॉट बिलीव इन लीनियर कम्युनिकेशन बिकॉज इन न्यू मीडिया, इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड, you have random access. My film does not begin at the beginning. I was not born. I'm not going to die at the end. No. Because you may not be there on the day that I die to give me your shoulder. But you will remember that this gentleman was here at the Instruction Media Center because I had told Mr. Rizwan Ahmed, your director, that I know something about new media and what kind of revolution it is going to create in the Indian audio-visual world. You guys call me for a lecture. The Producers Guild don't give a damn. They still want to distribute their films physically. So please understand that. और रही बात डॉक्यूमेंट्री की, डॉक्यूमेंट्री का डेफिनेशन क्या है? कईयों ने आपको दिया होगा. What is the definition of documentaries? You have any idea? हैं जी? जोर से बोलिए जरा. माइक दे सकते हैं प्लीज. अच्छा, एक चीज होती है, वी कॉल समथिंग कॉल्ड माइक मैनर्स. मैं अपने आप को बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट और समझदार आदमी समझता हूं, फिर भी जब मैं सवाल पूछने बैठा, मैंने माइक्रोफोन के लिए नहीं रिक्वेस्ट की, क्योंकि मैंने मिस्टेक की मैडम. क्योंकि अधिकतर यहां जो हो रही है, यहां रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है. अगर माइक्रोफोन आप लेंगे नहीं तो कैमरा में जाएगा नहीं. रिकॉर्ड लाओ तो आपने सुन लिया, बाकी सब तक जाएगा नहीं. तो माइक्रोफोन इज इंपॉर्टेंट. प्लीज मैम.
Documentary are the documents present in document. दस्तावेज जो होते हैं उसके साथ जो पेश किया जाता है,
हाँ,
उसको डॉक्यूमेंट्री कहते हैं. दस्तावेजी यानी the factual presentation or either in a written form or in a scenes जो पेश करते हैं उसको डॉक्यूमेंट्री कहते हैं.
Creative representation of reality.
Is it?
It is.
मैडम जी, आपको कोई कुछ भी बोले, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डॉक्यूमेंट्री इज सपोज टू बी नॉन फिक्शन. तो जो आपने कहा रियलिटी है, रियलिटी है कि नहीं मालूम नहीं, बट इट इज रियलिटी एज डॉक्यूमेंटेड फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. Because where I place the camera and what it captures is my point of view. है कि नहीं है? सही? So that is fine. But all the things that you've been talking about, मैं अभी यहाँ आता तो थोड़ी रिसर्च करनी पड़ती. मैंने कहा यार, बुढ़ापे में आप होमवर्क करवा रहे हो 1-2 घंटे के लेक्चर के लिए, 6 घंटे तो मुझे आने जाने में लगेंगे. The point is that anything and everything, once you see it on a screen, because of your conditioning, you think it is a film. आई बात समझ में? तो आपके दिमाग में हमेशा ये है कि ये फिल्म है. Now, the previous lecture reminded you that yes, it is a film, Because the rules he gave you went for all films. For every single film. मैंने कहा ये तो मैंने स्कूल में सीखा है. साइंस फिल्म के लिए लागू है. हाँ, साइंस फिल्म के लिए लागू है. Because science film is a film. So at the end, अगर it does not hold your attention, it does not give you a certain fruit at the end. Forget what Gita is. Please, कर्मणे वाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन does not apply to filmmaking. आपने 10 रुपए की टिकट खरीदी है, आपने 15 मिनट टाइम के दिए. At the end of it, you want your fruit at the end. Dilip Kumar must marry Saira Banu. I don't think he ever married her in any film, but you know what I mean. He married her in real life, which is better. So in a film, when you understand that there is a fruit, so always remember the fruit and work backwards. Mr. Nautiyal, I'm not wrong about this. क्योंकि वो पहले कहते हैं टॉपिक क्या है, क्या कहना चाहते हो, किसको कहना चाहते हो, किस असर के लिए, वो समझेंगे कि नहीं समझेंगे, उसके बारे में क्या जानते हैं, उनकी राय क्या है, कि आपको पत्थर तो नहीं मारेंगे, हर्ट्स माय रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट्स. अरे पानी को उबाल रहे हो, क्या रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट होगी? नहीं साहब, यू नो आई लाइक माई मिल्क एंड कॉर्नफ्लेक्स विथ कोल्ड मिल्क. उबालोगे, माई रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट्स विल गेट हर्ट. आई डोंट नो हाउ. But people have a way of twisting and turning, and this is one thing about any storytelling that you do. You must learn what I call post facto rationalization. तो एक बार आपके जवाब हाथ में आ गया कि ये मैं कहना चाहता हूं, you work your film so that you become credible and palatable. Now coming back, all this connects with one thing, कि social media, new media, है ना? Of social media and new media means nobody is buying your ticket, but they're giving you your time. Now, if they give you your time and within the first 5, 10, 15 seconds you do not catch their attention, gone. Gone. Then you can forget if everyone or anyone is going to give you any money in it. Correct? So what are the opportunities in new media? Lots. Lots. For documentaries, lots. But it is the biggest secret that you can make money in documentaries. Because everywhere you read, all my R&D say, oh, you don't make money in documentaries. But nobody tells you you've got to make a good film first. अच्छी फिल्म बनाओ, देखेंगे. देखेंगे तो आपको पैसा मिलेगा. अब आप सोचते हो, है ना, कि आप सिनेमा देखने जा रहे हो कि where you to pay a ticket, first buy a ticket and then see it. Sorry, it doesn't work that way for documentaries. You think you're sitting in a taxi or you go at the end of the journey, you'll get money. Forget it. It's not going to happen. Correct? So what happens? Where is the opportunity in new media? So I have told you new media is ways of seeing. You've got that? Now once you've got that in your head, but the basis of those new ways of seeing today, as somebody said, not social media, but the internet. Now, is it new media? 15 साल पुराना है. लेकिन उसको उपयोग करना नया है कि नहीं है? And now, I mean, I've been, as I said, fortunate to work with one prime minister who understood power of television and took television to all over the country. And by land-based low-power transmitters, we had television all over India, where today Doordarshan can reach more than all the satellite channels combined. The fact is, the government does no business, but the government has no business to be in business. That's what Shri S.L. Kirloskar told Gandhi ji. Gandhi ji बोले कि चरखा बनाओ. उन्होंने एक सुपर एफिशिएंट चरखा बना लिया. 4 जनों का काम एक चरखा करता था. बोले आपने ऐसा किया, 4 जने भूखे रह जाएंगे. Are you nuts? You asked me to create efficient. with 4 जने क्यों का काम क्यों जाएगा? औरों को भी काम मिलेगा ना. Make more charkhas, make people work. But I mean, I have my viewpoints about Gandhiji. He's a good man. He's a Mahatma. He's on all my notes, so I see him every day. And he told you the power of peace with new violence, and that's it. Now, I want to show you something. Before I started this, I was telling them, please be careful of, what you're going through over here. You might come across some porn, which might be accidental. What do they put over here? But if you look up there, it's called Voot. Woot is one of the new media channels. Today, everybody is trying to go on the net and to show their work. All right? It is still a capitalist territory where they come to me, Mr. Tekwani, we want you to make a film. You know, but it's on the net, you know, ज़्यादा धंधा होता नहीं, वो क्या है कि वो लो बजट पे काम करना है. तो धंधे वाला हमेशा will try to extort you. I don't know how he got his money for Dutiya, whatever that film that you made. You remember? You know the trouble you had getting the money for it. Correct. My definition of a documentary or documentary filmmaker was, you don't have the money to make a film, you have an idea, or films division ki film hai, it begins this way, ends that way. Now, I didn't know that I was a documentary filmmaker until I saw Anand Patwardhan's films. Anand Patwardhan is one of the top activist, politically activist filmmakers. Okay? क्या फिल्में बनाता था? His films are all anti-government, anti-fascist, anti-right. पिक्चर देख तो लें. देखी पिक्चर. हरिजनों के प्लाइट पे है. The last film was 200 minutes long. So I allocated 200 minutes for him to see the film. I sat for all the 200 minutes, did not look at my watch, and I sat for 1 minute after for that. And I was watching it critically of how he had made that film. Sex, violence, everything. I mean, I'm calling sex violence, but what you understand is कि हर एक फिल्म जब बनती है तो उसमें the first element that you get is called engagement. है ना? नौटियाल साहब आपको बता रहे हैं कैसे फिल्म बनानी चाहिए. आई गॉट होप टाइम मुझे तो फिल्म बनानी है. वहाँ मकरन साहब ने तो फिल्म बनाई. बोली यार तुम ये तो मुझे मालूम नहीं. बाप रे बाप, है कि नहीं है? तो ये जो चीज़ होती है तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गेट द हुक. ए क्या बोलती तू, ए क्या मैं बोलूं. आई एम सॉरी माई वॉइस में बी फ्लैट बट प्लीज एक्सेप्ट इट. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एंगेजमेंट. अब एंगेजमेंट होती है तो क्या होता है? एंगेजमेंट होती है तो क्या होता है? फिर आप एक दूसरे सवाल पूछने पड़ते हैं. सुनिए, कहिए. बड़ी होशियार हैं आप. तो होशियार हैं, लड़का बोल रहा है. बड़ी होशियार है. आपको कैसे मालूम? तो कुछ देखकर, कुछ समझकर. क्या देखा? आपकी हंसी. क्या समझा? कि इतने सुंदर दांत हैं तो मसूड़े भी काफी मजबूत होंगे. आप ही की तरह. मतलब मैं भी फॉरेन टूथपेस्ट इस्तेमाल करता हूं, है ना? आप ही की तरह. हर रात, हर सवेरे. क्रिएटिव पीपल, ब्रिलियंस. वी थॉट वी हैड क्रिएटेड अ रेडियो स्पॉट. गवर्नमेंट के ऑल इंडिया रेडियो में गया, उसने बोला बैन कर दिया उसको. अरे क्या हो गया? लड़का लड़की एक दूसरे बात करें तो दांत साफ करते हैं. हाँ, सुबह को करते हैं, शाम को करते हैं. ना आपने ये नहीं कहा. आपने कहा हर रात, हर सवेरे. तो रात को मिले और सुबह को भी. क्या बात कर रहे हैं? सुपर इमेजिनेशन होता है. सो व्हेन यू आर कम्युनिकेटिंग, do your research and understand what people's perceptions are. Was my audience the toothpaste users? No. My audience was the damn DD officials who are going to approve my spot to be shown on DD. So understand who your audience is, what they have and how they're inclined towards it. So Woot is one of the places. Go look at it. I'm not going to go very intense into that. One of the new media things that happened was I was in my hostel and I tried to crack the code and I couldn't. So new media wasn't working. Of course, not to be outdone, I have one phone, I have two phones, and I have my little black box also. But वहाँ सिग्नल नहीं आ रहा है. तो इतना प्रिपेयर होने के बाद भी इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा था. Anyhow, so there is Woot, and this is who will be watching? Ramesh. अब आपके मौलाना नेट चला गया. Anyhow, Netflix created Dhamal 2-3 years ago. Oh, sorry, I'll take this here. Netflix created Dhamal 2-3 years ago when they came into India. They tried hard to sell us 500 rupees a month subscription, but it wasn't working. Then they went to Calcutta. There was a Bengali filmmaker who made independent cinema but slightly saucy. He's called Kaushik Mukherjee. तो अपने ढंग की फिल्में बनाता है, थोड़ी मसालेदार बनाता है, थोड़ा उसमें ओवर्ट फिजिकल कनेक्शन दिखाता है, तो people kind of get semi-titillated and they watch it. तो उसका पूरा कलेक्शन नेटफ्लिक्स ने खरीद लिया. फिर एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री थी जिसने नेशनल अवार्ड जीता, R.D. बर्मन के बारे में, हमारा फ्रेंड ने बनाई थी, और वो भी खरीद ली. So I was sitting at MIF this year conducting a session on this. तो बोले डॉक्यूमेंट्री खरीदते? बोले ना ना. कितनी खरीदें? बोले 25. अब क्या अभी देखें चलती हैं कि नहीं चलती हैं? झूठे साले हैं. Initially now what has happened is all these guys, new media, they're buying content from India. They are. अगर आप यहाँ जाओगे नेटफ्लिक्स में सब कुछ है, डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज भी हैं, यू कैन गो थ्रू इट एंड वॉच इट. यहाँ आपको दिखाने के लिए आई हैव टेकन अ फ्री सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर टुडे, बट इफ आई डोंट कैंसिल इट बाय द 15th of next month or 17th of next month, दे आर गोना बिल मी 500 rupees. ये कुछ चल रहा है. It's a documentary. It's on Netflix. They have bought it and they paid good money for it. They are also putting money into production in India, but only for films of people like Anurag Kashyap, whose normal language is foul language, I don't know why, and who likes showing a lot of skin, I don't know why. Because at this age, in this open world, with my wife of 23 years, sometimes we feel uncomfortable watching films like this. तो मुझे बोलते गाली बोलने की जरूरत है क्या? तो I don't know. I was sitting with the censor board chairperson who I used to work in that advertising agency. He asked me a very simple question. रमेश जी, क्या एक लड़की की छेड़छाड़ करना मनोरंजन होता है? I didn't have an answer. But if freedom of expression means that, if free cinema means that, so be it. Anyhow, so this is your Netflix. This is new media. This is where people are seeing. Once these people get their ground here, they get us all to subscribe. Still the rate is high. Still the rate is high. I will subscribe to everything because I'm in the business. ठीक है, मेरी बीवी होती पागल होगी, क्या देख, कब तुमको टाइम है पिक्चर देखने का? The point is this, that you have to find out and settle down anywhere, and they haven't created that. That's why some people are also giving you monthly kind of things. So आप एक महीने जाओ, binge seeing your Game of Thrones or something or the other, and Netflix somehow has not left a good impression on me. But आपको लेक्चर देने के लिए मुझे स्टडी करना पड़ता है. क्या मैं बैठ के देखूंगा? शायद not. I started watching something on Amazon because I took an Amazon membership. Why? Because they deliver goods that I want to buy the next day for free. इसलिए मैंने Amazon देखी, उसमें मैं पिक्चरें भी देख रहा हूँ. तो कहीं, and there I can see language cinema. I don't say regional cinema. I get to see language cinema with English subtitles. Now, all of you who make documentaries, first of all, understand that your documentary has to be made with the idea that it is a film. One of the early science films that I remember was something incredible journey. Oh, this was in the 70s. एक साइंटिस्ट है, उनको स्ट्रोक हो गया है, ब्लड क्लॉट हो गया है, तो they take a spaceship and they shrink the spaceship, put in the blood, and then they take laser and they, eliminate the blood clot. And of course, the white corpuscles sense an outsider come and try to. Drama was created. Correct. I made the film on Dhirubhai Ambani's life. It's had more shows than Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. Now, if I got 1 rupee for each of those screenings, correct, I would have chartered my plane and come here and wouldn't have billed them for the ticket. Correct, but it doesn't work that way. And every time I tell somebody I made this film, oh, Abhishek Bachchan wali. मैंने कहा ना, Mani Ratnam has made that. But there what they have done, they've taken the story and they have dramatized it. Now, is my film a documentary? All the pure documentarian is not the correct word, so I have learned. I didn't like it. I couldn't find it somewhere, and some people also, good guys, protest. You're a documentary. You're a filmmaker, यार. Documentary ये वो क्या होता है? आपको चिट्ठी लिखनी है, आपको बीवी को प्यार करना है. आप कैसे प्यार करोगे? डार्लिंग बोलोगे, प्रेमी बोलोगे. नोटियाल साहब ने आपको क्या कहा था कि फर्स्ट फ्यू थिंग्स इन अ फ्रेम डोंट से. पर ही ऑफ कोर्स गिव यू टेक्निकल रीजन फॉर इट कि वो प्री रोल होता है, ये होता है, ऐसा होता है. पर वहां हम लोग भी बोलते स्टार्ट कैमरा, पहले स्टार्ट साउंड, स्टार्ट कैमरा, एक्शन, तब तक वो स्टडी हो जाता है. आजकल वो डिजिटल, दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, बट ये है. करेक्ट. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज वेरी सिंपल. That if my wife tells me, hey, you got to get up and go at 6 o'clock, I'll say, हाँ तो मैं कह रही थी डार्लिंग, हाँ कल 6 बजे जाना है. So there always has to be a lead in to something. You have to establish something. Now here, what I had to tell you, I can tell you in 3 minutes. So here are your opportunities, as the title goes, opportunities in new media for documentarians is, this is it. Then ये क्या है? Prime Video, 999 per year. All of these have documentaries, huh? कहाँ गए? You can browse, you can see your films, and it is beautiful, and you can watch it in various qualities. Digital has changed one thing for you. If you see here, अगर कुछ देखने बैठ जाओ, कौन सी चलाएं? कोई भी चला लेते हैं, हैं जी? छोटी वाली नहीं, वो आपको पूरी, तो छोटी वाली भी आपको मैं पूरी नहीं दिखाऊंगा, ठीक है ना? अब ये चल देती है सीजन 2. चलिए अब ना, दिस वाज समथिंग दैट आई डिडंट नो, बट बीच में एड्स भी डाल देते हैं. ना ओवर हियर इन सेटिंग्स you can decide you want to watch good, better or best, है ना? मैं हमेशा good में देखता हूँ, best में नहीं देखता हूँ, because now everything is termed in your data, the amount of data. तो जितनी better quality में देखोगे उतने ज़्यादा आपको पैसे लगेंगे. Opportunities. So you have to make your film today. All film should be made in HD. And HD is one of the biggest cons going. The con means convincing and cheating you is that though the ratio is 1920 by 1080, ordinary HD, there's something called compression. आप समझे? जो सैंडविच वाला आपको सैंडविच, शुरू से आपको सैंडविच वाला सैंडविच कंप्रेस करके देता था, है ना? वो क्या करता था? कोने काट के देता था. जो कोने वो रेस्टोरेंट वाले को बेचता था कि वो टिकिया में और आलू में मसल के टिकिया बना के देते थे. और आपकी मदर और भी ठगी करती, ज्यादा कंप्रेशन करती, उसके 4 टुकड़े कर देती थी. करेक्ट? ठीक, तेरे को शायद तू बड़ा लड़का है, तो 4 सैंडविच खाने पड़ेंगे. They used to normally not do it with sandwiches, they used to do it with chocolates. तो बड़े चॉकलेट के 16 टुकड़े करके दे देते थे. देख तेरे को 16 टुकड़े दे रहे हैं. Now, these are, and compression में क्या होता है आपको पता नहीं चलता क्या होता है. First time you came across digital compression was when you were listening to MP3. तो कुछ frequencies आपके कान को सुनाई नहीं देती हैं, उड़ा देते थे. आपने मिस्टर बीन को देखा है? ट्रैवल के लिए पैक करता था, वो अपनी कंप्रेशन कर रहा है, फुल पैंट को हाफ पैंट करके काट के डाल देता है. तो अंडरस्टैंड दैट एज कंप्रेशन. फुल पैंट को हाफ पैंट करना पूरा डेटा नहीं है. तो जो डेटा आपके काम का नहीं है वो आपको मिलेगा नहीं. तो आप इकोनॉमी थाली में डालोगे, आपको नमक नहीं देंगे, अचार नहीं देंगे, दही नहीं देंगे, वो आपको एक्स्ट्रा करके दे देंगे, पर वो नहीं देंगे. लाइक एयरलाइन में आपको इकोनॉमी टिकट में आपको खाना नहीं देंगे, है कि नहीं है? बोले टिकट सस्ती है, फिर बोलेंगे आपको एक्सेस बैगेज दे दीजिए 1000 रुपया. तो So understand what these are all forms of visual compression, not visual, I mean, what do you call it? Virtual compression. Now, compression माना डब्बे में डब्बा तो इतना ही है, भरना है. Now, for abhi today with new internets, things can flow faster. Even in best quality, it'll run good. Okay? So, you had Netflix, you had Voot. Voot was the worst. पैसे भी नहीं देने पड़ते हैं उसके. Eros Now. I don't think I need to go into it. अभी सब पासवर्ड वासवर्ड भरना पड़ेगा. But Eros Now is also there. These are all targets, and I meet these guys all over the place. Like I met your director. I mean, I met him a long time ago, but that's not the point. Sometimes we meet in Cannes, and their agendas are different. His agenda was how to get maximum number of good films for a fee. Mine was to meet all those guys there and how that we could get them to co-produce with India. फायदा क्या होता है? बहुत होता है. A few days ago, a senior filmmaker, Shaji Karun, was here giving you lectures. Do you know Shaji Karun was involved in one of the first Indo-French co-productions? His Vanaprastham was an Indo-French co-production. His co-producer was a gentleman called Pierre Assouline. गोरा आदमी है, गोरा आदमी है. Until one day he comes to India. He and I got to know each other through a festival called Extravagant India, which I'm a founder of and he is. And वहाँ हम भारतीय फिल्में दिखाते हैं. Our job is to promote Indian cinema minus Bollywood and try and get money, dollars and, well, euros, you get euros there, for our Indian filmmakers. Now that is opportunity. French people watch documentaries. Do they watch them in theater? No. They watch them on television. Now who has to talk there? Am I going to talk? No. Who the hell am I? But should Colonel Rathore speak? Yes, he should. The ambassador, once upon a time, the ambassador of France was so interested in the festival. Saturday, Sunday, पूरा दिन आके बैठ गया, जिसमें कोई काम धंधा नहीं है. पूरे आके फिल्में देखते थे और एडवांस नोटिस देते थे because protocol has to be followed and he is the person who helped us so much. But यहाँ क्या होता है कि गवर्नमेंट बदलती है. गवर्नमेंट तो छोड़ो, गवर्नमेंट तो स्थिर ही है. INB मिनिस्टर बदल गया, अभी एक के साथ कोई पहचान कर ली, भाग गए. एक अच्छा डिप्टी डायरेक्टर थे जो इंचार्ज थे एफी के, उनको भगा के कहीं हैदराबाद भेज दिया, डायरेक्टर बना दिया. अब क्या करो, जहाँ पहचान बन जाती है, कुछ गाड़ी चलने लगती है, गायब हो जाता है. बट that means that when you try to work, your work should not be dependent on who you're talking to. Your work should be dependent on who you are and what work you're doing. 2, put everything down on paper. New media makes it easier for you to email भेज दी, आपको टाइम सिग्नेचर आ गई, आपने भेज दिया. New media is not social media. New media is everything that you can do on the internet. This is your patri. देखने का नजरिया है, आप कैसे दिखा सकते हो? जनाब, today, Yash Chopra can have his film on his server over here. The theater wala somewhere else can just swipe his smart card and the film will start running in his theater. Is it possible? Yes. Do people do it? No. Why they don't want to do it? क्योंकि every screening means the producer has made so much. बीच में पैसा मारने का. अब पैसा मारना कितना मारोगे? 10 लाख. फिल्म चलेगी, अब 50 लाख बना सकते हो. But this is some maths people don't know. मैंने नौटियाल साहब से एक सवाल पूछा, आपने डायलॉग क्यों नहीं बोला? उन्होंने समझा दिया. A visual can finish like this, a dialogue takes time. That's what he in purpose meant. So when you're writing, when you're doing, how much time do people have? Can you make a documentary in 5 minutes? The purists will say no. The purists will say no. Can I make a documentary in 5 minutes? Yes. 3 minutes. Now, the question is, can I make a science documentary in 5 minutes or 3 minutes? I don't know, I haven't done it yet. Because I belong to an era where you made films for 20 minutes, because कोई 1.5 लाख रुपया खर्चा करता था, उसको 20 मिनट देखने को था. Until you find that the Prime Minister says, oh, film देखनी, हाँ ठीक है, मैं transit lounge में हूँ, going from Hong Kong to Paris, come and show it to me in the transit lounge. I'm sorry, sometimes I pull there is no malice towards anybody. But see the time, somebody who's giving you the time, see that you can communicate in a crisp, concise, precise manner. So opportunities are there. So I have shown you. अभी ये कौन सा है? Alt बालाजी. यार मैं पैसे नहीं बनाता हूँ, मैंने चल झूठा. But the point is not that. He also has other places where he can make money, and then he uses that money to put in his utmost how to make a film. And not just that, that once you have your money, you can use that money to a maximum. Don't use it to order a pizza. अगर वड़ा पाव में काम चलता है तो पिज़्ज़ा मत खाने की कोशिश करो. तो पिज़्ज़ा देखकर आपका प्रोडक्शन मैनेजर को कुछ अलग ही आइडिया आ जाएगा. आप समझे? These are the people where your little drains and drips happen. But as far as the Indian government goes, and as far as allowing budgets go, they have no idea. They have no idea. And now it is all the more difficult. In 1996, I got 25 lakhs to make a film for a builder. Then my wife got involved in some racket with some builder, and she was part owner in that project, so she made a film for herself. Same communication, except there was a building for rich people, and this was for slum owners to migrate to their first brick wall and concrete building. Her cost was under 200 rupees. Same communication. She showed it to the guy sweeping in the passage. The guy looks at it and he says, "Oh, madam, NOC mil gaya." Now, when he asks a question like that, it is a relevant question. Everything else makes sense to him. But you need an NOC, occupation certificate, to go and live in that building. Under 200 rupees. I mean, she shot the film. I gave her the voice free. She wouldn't pay me for the script because it was too expensive for her. BB है और उसके लिए expensive. Because she was not willing to pay in kind. It's as simple as that. So I wrote all this. अभी बोलो आलू पराठा बना के दो, ये बना के दो. She was not willing to do that. She wrote it herself. But she learnt all this from the internet and did the film herself. And I did not interfere because बीबी की इज्जत मेरी इज्जत है. She made a perfect piece of communication. सामने वाले ने समझा, टारगेट ऑडियंस ने समझा, सत्य वचन. Now, if she can do it, not to say her film is the best on the world, but if you want to make a documentary and sell it to, क्या कहते हैं, you can sell it to Doordarshan. But I'm trying to say something that when you make a film, पहले बताया स्क्रिप्ट, ये सब थोड़ा होमवर्क करो, बाद में कैमरा को उठाओ, क्योंकि तब खर्चा होना शुरू होता है. As long as there's no खर्चा, do your research. What do you want to talk about? Now, somebody goes and makes a film on a tiger. There are 5 guys making films on tiger. The same guy has made a living out of making tigers. But in documentary, you make money not after making it. It's not an aloo ka paratha bana ke 15 rupees mein becho. Because documentary films are not a product. So, when I went to Kolkata to SRFTI to attend DocAge, they were a documentary आप बना के बेचोगे तो you will get 40 rupees to the 40 paisa to the rupee, excuse me. You have to present your project to somebody, then somebody will get turned on, and then they will tell you after seeing your presentation, let's talk. Okay, let's talk. Then the dialogue starts, and then you get your money that this channel will buy it, that channel will buy it. Eventually, you will make your money. You know what is the attitude of producers there? They see your budget and they say, "Oh, have you, this film is going to make 2 years to make." I said, "Yeah." "What is your monthly expenditure a month?" I said, 15-20 हज़ार, very conservatively trying to show I'm not a, मैं तो बीबी की पॉकेट मनी पे जीने वालों में हूँ. तो 2 साल में कुछ 5 लाख खर्चा होता है मेरा. तो आपने ये बजट किया है? आप समझे? आपने ये बजट किया है? But when India, when they render it, give you a tender, and you want to follow the life cycle of a tiger, they don't know it'll take you 3 years. अगर आप टाइगर की पूरी जिंदगी करना चाहते हो और वो बोलते हैं आपको देंगे, they should give you a retainer or figure out what to do and tell you deliver so much. This is your delivery. You cannot make a documentary film that's 3 hours long, 2 hours long, because nobody will watch it. You have a slot of 23 minutes. You have a slot of 52 minutes so that it can be shown on television, so that they can recover the money and they can give it to you. In France, all the money that comes from theatres goes back to filmmaking. In India, it goes back to the central exchequer. Why can't it come? Doordarshan income on advertising does not come back to producing Doordarshan programs, it goes to the central exchequer. Why? And the most important money, where they had a worker's cess for every film that got censored, they've stopped collecting that. Why? We take it and insure the workers, no? But they won't do that. I'm sorry, these things are not connected, but everything is connected, because you've got to think of it at the end. If you're making a documentary film and you're dying to make that film, then you must have the money to make that film. So either you must have a rich wife like mine, or you must have a side income. So if you're a good filmmaker, come here. Perhaps IMC will give you a job. And if you can do a good job of it and tell these people that how they can make money out of their documentaries and films. And that's the wrong end. Because making money, if you make something good, it will automatically run. It's as simple as that. That you've seen in the market, that's how it works. But there is money for films, and money should be allocated, and you can make things in installment, and that's it. Now, Wood, I have already shown you. YouTube, I'm not going through. It's got disconnected, but Vimeo is one of the best. Vimeo is the best place to be on, where you can make your films and do a selective release where you can get some money. Okay? So these are your release opportunities. Places where you can pitch for your films. What has it got to do with new media? Internet allows you to connect with people. Oh, there are millions of festivals that you can go to. One second, let me just check. Why does this not? One second. There are millions of festivals that you can go to. Desktop. One second. Yeah. I'll show you these. Come on. This is a science film meant for children. थोड़ा आवाज बढ़ा देंगे प्लीज, हल्का सा. How many of you have seen Sesame Street for preschoolers? You know what I'm talking about? Try and locate them and see how those films were made. What he does, he fills this tank with water. And then says, let's go things that sink and float. He goes out into the playground and very conveniently finds things. So he's got this little plastic dabba where he finds somewhere. Now this is in normal story scripting. How can he do it? They've done it. So you're allowed to stretch the imagination at certain things. So while he's collecting things, उनको रंगों के बारे में भी सिखा दे रहे हैं. Science film. He's talking of colors, education.
Wait a second. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Look. This is a CD, a compact disc. And it says Blippi on top. I wonder.
Correct. So he collects a whole lot of things while he's playing around, and then
Rocks are.
he starts putting them in this tank.
Let's see here.
The rocks sink,
Ready? You think it won't be the things?
some things float, and he talks of density. So when I did my film on density, I didn't know this. This was way back in 1976. How did I try to get them engaged? I wrote my script in Hindi. Mother is shouting for the child, and the child says, कहाँ थे, क्या क्या, सो गए थे क्या? तो बोलते नहीं, सो नहीं रहा था, सोच रहा था. बोले क्या सोच रहे थे? Already they've shown us thing, 2 little bags are there, gunny sacks. He tries to lift one, he can't lift one, the other he can lift, and he couldn't understand, so he sits down. Mom shouts, सोच रहा था. Now, हिंदी में तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, सोच रहा था, सो नहीं रहा था. अब वही गुजराती में बोलो, सो कहते हो, सुई गए हो तो कहा, सुई न तो गए बा, विचारियो हो तो. स्क्रिप्ट की ताकत गई. The best script translators are Asterix. Try and read them. They're originally in French. अब समझे? अब ये देखिए कैसे इन्होंने पूरा का पूरा कर दिया. This is Hotstar. Now all those things are there. Throw it out. This is going to be the next big thing in India. They haven't paid me money for it. They haven't paid me money for it. Hotstar belongs to Star India, which is already one of the leading channels. They haven't jumped any bandwagon. They know exactly what they are doing. They are going to capture the media market. Why? Because they've got a repertoire that relates to India. But in India, we are very fortunate about one thing. When Rupert Murdoch tried to come into India with his Star Plus, he couldn't. He couldn't until Star Plus started showing Hindi programs. So theoretically, nobody can culturally invade India. They cannot. Now some people predict, one of these Firangi type, producers बोलते, अरे यार अगले साल में देखोगे तो सब लोग अपने मोबाइल पे प्रोग्राम देखना शुरू कर देंगे, इधर देखेंगे और टीवी तो कोई देखेगा नहीं. Not in India. With a population of 1.6 billion people, say, too many of us are on a time pass mode. So TV will take quite some time to be displaced by anything. This new little, new media revolution is there. But besides that, there'll be other ways to see also. आप स्टेशन पे बैठे हो, किसने कुछ लगा दिया. There'll be kiosks there. You can see what you want. These same things are there in museums. Go press there, they'll tell you what is there. Today, if I enter somewhere and I want to know what's going on in this big university, outside the dean's office or the reception, this can be put there and one can see it. So as far as things go, the new media on the rails, the wheels of the internet has got far-reaching consequences. But there's a lot of paperwork to do. Oh, dal diya net pe. Kidhar dala? You put it on YouTube, you can never sell it to a festival. There are a lot of festivals. Where you can send your films. Okay? So पहले तो release करने से पहले test the ground on sending them to festivals. Okay? Your own homegrown festivals. The best festival for documentaries is Mumbai International Film Festival. Documentaries, animation, shorts. It is the best. The best film festival in India is the Kerala Festival. Why? Because the boss there, but for a brief moment, did not change. The artistic director has been Beena Paul kind of forever. So she has decided the course of the festival. Your own director could have taken, DFF anywhere, but वहाँ deputy director थे, director बनना था, इधर आ गए. But what is he doing? He's come here in a media center where media education is going on. So all that is still within the purview of how he can take, and he's got 3 producers working for him. Correct? So how you can do storytelling, how you can do many things over here. And 2, if you can know Urdu, oh my God. I don't know too much of Urdu, but I come from a background, I come from Lucknow. So where Hindustani is a way of life. And there are many things that you can do in Urdu. You can make a person feel nice, which I can't do in English. You know, I just say you, आप. एक तहजीब हो जाती है. I don't know Urdu, so सबने कहा तशरीफ रखिए, मैंने कहा साहब तशरीफ में फुंसी है. But there are many ways of addressing, and how do you address? And the whole question, you know, you don't say hello, hi, adab. Then automatically you're not surrendering to them, but you're acknowledging that, hey, sir. So without being a servant, without being servile, you're greeting that person with the kind of respect that you ought to give that person, and there's no measure to that respect. आदाब, इसमें क्या होता है? ऐसे हाथ उठा दिया. एक जनानी आती है, उससे आप ऐसा ही कर दो तो हो जाता है, even if you don't speak to her. Now this is something that you get from there. So you pick up and you become an amalgam of communication. So when you're doing your documentary, think of that. नोटिया साहब कह रहे थे कि ऑडियंस कौन है, आपकी ऑडियंस स्पेसिफिक होनी चाहिए. उन्होंने तो ये भी कह दिया, बड़ी आसानी से कह दिया, everybody. There can never be an audience who's everybody. I'm speaking to you in English और हिंदी वाले नहीं समझेंगे, उर्दू वाले नहीं समझेंगे, उर्दू में बोलूँगा तो अंग्रेजी वाले नहीं समझेंगे. But when you are going on mass media, in your mind, somewhere along the line, you have a spotlight in your mind that an audience which you can't define. You have no choice but to go on Doordarshan, you know, national. You have no choice. But you know in this, यार ये मैं फिल्म बना रहा हूँ, गधा रमेश टेकवानी कितना सिखाता था, समझ नहीं था, finally got the answer. Perhaps I am that little audience for him. And Ramesh Tekwani that day is sitting with the ambassador in France and with the French TV वाला, और उन्होंने बोल दिया कि आज ये फिल्म आने वाली है इतने बजे, तुम्हारे यहाँ 12:30 बजे होंगे. जाके मैं कहता साहब देख लीजिए, हिंदी फिल्म है, इंडिया की फिल्म है, आप देख लीजिए. For copyright reasons I couldn't get, have a look sir. देख लेते. I'm just giving you a very exaggerated example, but I have made a film, all right, on India, and my target audience was one guy and one guy only. Where after having made the film, I am not allowed to sit at the screening. I can't screen it. The technical person is running the show for the person, because he wanted to withdraw all his investment from India. Achha, whatever I am doing here, I will be sending a copy and more details to the institute within the next week, so that all the reference material is there. A lot of my research showed that documentary bikti nahi hai, aisa nahi hai, waisa nahi hai. One of the first documentaries made, not one of the first documentaries made, it was a 3-hour or 8-hour long documentary reduced to something, and it was bought over by Warner Brothers, made by an Indian called Dr. S. Krishnaswamy from the south. It was called Indus Valley to Indira Gandhi.
Here on the International Space Station. So this is Node 2. This is a really cool module. Of course, most of these modules you see, they have 4 sides, and they're put together. That way we can sort of...
This lady's in a spaceship.
Flat, plane, either a wall, a floor, another wall, or the ceiling. But, you know, again, all you have to do is turn yourself and your reference changes. The reason I'm bringing that up is because this is where 4 out of 6 of us sleep. And so people always ask about sleeping in space. Do you lie down? Are you in a bed? Not really, because it doesn't matter. You don't really have a sensation of lying down. You just sit in your sleeping bag. So here's one sleep station right here. I'm going in right now. You can follow me if you want. So I'm inside. It's sort of like a little phone booth, but it's pretty comfy. I've got a sleeping bag right here that we sleep in, so we don't have sort of like a little bit of a cover. We don't fly all over the place. But you know, you can sleep in any orientation. I have it sleeping, feeling like up right now, but like you saw, I'm on the floor, but it doesn't matter if I turn over and I sleep upside down. I can't have it, I don't have any sensation in my head that tells me that I'm upside down, so it really doesn't matter. The sleep station is also like a little office. We've got a computer in here. As you can see, we've got a couple little toys. I've got some books. I've got some clothes and other things that make it sort of like home. I'm coming out.
This is actually zero gravity simulation that they have done.
This one's another. Right here. There's one on the ceiling, if you want to call it. Right here. And then there's a fourth on the other wall over here. So all of us sleep in a little bit of a circle.
Optimum space utilization, an example like tell you that it doesn't matter how you sleep, you just sleep.
I know that there's some questions about how to use the bathroom and how do you actually live in space like normal, like at home. I mentioned real quickly about getting up in the morning and brushing your teeth and washing your face. Well, how do you do that? Well, here is the bathroom essentially. You get up in the morning and we have a little selection of...
She teaches you how to brush your teeth and swallow what you...
Here's a pretty cool place. We're in the Japanese out into space, and right now 3 or 6, and I sleep upside down. I can't get up in the morning, and we have a little kit,
I shall...
and it has all the essential things that you...
When making a science film, one of the first things is there are processes involved. You must understand the process, how it works from start to finish. Every time you make a film, you're doing a crash course on the subject, and for that brief moment, you do your masters in that subject from that point of view. You have to understand that. You have to know it all. So if there are 6 departments that you're working with, then your client doesn't know it all, but you know it and you must know it. I will show you something over here. It's first I will show you why do I do this every time? This, I'll show you a brief of this film. It's a very important film because when you're talking of new media, in light of that, I have to discuss something called old media. This man was there and he became a superstar at a time when there was no social media, none whatsoever. So even when you're on social media, the rules that made him a superstar still exist. Because what happens is that when you go drink a lot and drive over footpaths and kill people, or just for pleasure and kill some animals, helpless animals, please remember that social media takes that thing further and they can make you look blacker than black, which is very important. But here, this film was made for the ministry when they wanted to felicitate. Sound मैं यहाँ से बंद कर सकता हूँ. When they wanted to felicitate Rajesh Khanna, which is very well, there's so much one can write about him. Correct? What is there? The catch was that this guy decided to go before, the ministry could felicitate him. He saved them a lot of money. But what do you say? The news channels have covered him from every angle. They've spoken to everybody else. So what do you talk about him that they have not spoken about? Everything here they have spoken about, but the pearls haven't been strung together that the way they have been put here is what was it about him? He played many roles in which he endeared himself to people at various angles. So at any given point, You must endear somebody to this thing. One second. You must endear somebody to somewhere and connect with your films, even if it's a science film. You must be able to do it. When in ISRO we made films, we made it science in everyday life. So you told them why. So why there's friction, why this is that, why there's magnetism. In fact, the opening line of one of my films over there, which was on the very first capsule, was on shapes. And I wrote something very inadvertently, a young little wet behind the ears kid, because assistants are not allowed to make films. But my boss was pals with Kiran Karnik and he was not well, so they allowed me to make the film. And that film began, ये एक बिंदु है. बिंदु को खींचने से रेखा बनती है. In those times, those were the hottest vamps that could go in Bombay film industry. They never let me live it down. उसके बाद क्या होता है? Correct? That line I've used for my film for Reliance on Windows. कि और लकीर को ऐसे लिया जाए तो क्या बनता है? A box. And if we take many more boxes, doors and windows and this and that, तो ये होता है. अब विंडोज क्या करती हैं? कुछ आने देती हैं, कुछ जाने देती हैं. क्या आने जाने देती हैं? जो मतलब आपका घाटा करता है, एनर्जी. तो you need windows that don't allow energy losses, and how you can make money with that. Means you have decent windows, which is what somebody was trying to sell, and that is how it is. So at any given time, there is science involved in any communication. Anything that you sell has got communication. If somebody tells you, hey, I've got this lovely little bag, and you have to show a process in a sequence where this guy, another 5 minutes is okay. So every aspect of it is taken in that film. But this was his most famous line. So when you begin with something, you have to end with something and give a resolution to it. So if you want to talk about making a science film, you're starting with something very simple. मैं साइकिल चला रहा हूँ, अब रुक जाता हूँ तो गिर जाती है, चलाता हूँ तो चलती रहती है. So this was my conclusion. सीधा साधा आदमी था, अपने ढंग से चलता था और अपने हर एक के साथ उसने अपने आप को प्रिय बनाया था. Through his films. Nowhere did he do stupid things. No grabbing a woman, no nothing. अमिताभ बच्चन has done that. परवीन भाभी को ग्रैब किया फिल्म में, उसको थप्पड़ मार रही है, बाद में उससे शादी कर रही है. Now you made it that that's a standard way of courting. Can't do that, you know. Okay. So, opportunities for documentaries in new media. Lots. I've shown you the channels which will eventually take you. Right now, they are not in the business of taking films. They are in the business of creating audiences for themselves so that people will stay. They want people to commit their monies and subscriptions to them. So once they are done with that, they will show the films. Do documentaries have an audience? Yes. If you see Home, check out Home and have a look at it. It's a beautiful documentary. If you check out any of David Attenborough's films on Earth and things like that, just see the way the words are written. And when I speak, and I try to emulate his style of speaking. How do you speak? How can you speak? Recently I had to speak on the Gita. They approved my voice like this. So the client tells me, हाँ वो तो आपकी आवाज़ सही थी, but you know कृष्णा इन गीता पहले तो उसका ड्राइवर होता है, तो अर्जुन दाता है, बोलता अरे यार जरा गाड़ी तो उधर ले, बीच में ले ले, उधर देखूं तो यार कौन है वहाँ सामने. जी सरकार. कृष्ण वहाँ ले जाता है. अरे यार क्या करी, तो सब मेरे भाई बंधु, इनके साथ लड़ना पड़ेगा. तुझे पहले मालूम था ना, अभी मैं गाड़ी का रिफंड देने वाला नहीं हूं. आप समझे ना. देखो कौन है, वो मारना है उनको, अभी मैं नहीं मारूंगा. पागल हो गए क्या, मारना है। नहीं मान रहा है, जानते हो कौन हूं मैं, और अपना कॉस्मिक विजन दिखाता है उन्हें। अर्जुन को सडनली याद आती, ओ माय गॉड, आई एम ट्रैवलिंग विद गॉड हिमसेल्फ एंड आई डिडंट रियलाइज इट, आई ट्रीटिंग हिम लाइक माय ड्राइवर। और कृष्णा जो बोलता, देख अर्जुन, अब जो मैं तुम्हें कहता हूं तुम कहो, वो तो साले पहले से ही मर चुके हैं, तुम मारोगे उन्हें, तुम्हें पे कोई, तुमको डरो मत, तुम्हें फांसी नहीं लगेगी, मेरे साथ करोगे तुमको मैं अपने साथ ले जाऊंगा अपने बंगले में। हो गया। अब कृष्णा ने, मैं तो आपके बंगले में नहीं चलने वाला हूं यार, आप सही। फिर कृष्णा कम्स डाउन ह्यूमन फॉर्म, डरो मत कृष्णा, ये तुम्हारा काम है, ये करना है, सबका काम है। एंड व्हाट डू दे टेल मी, दैट इज देयर अ ब्राह्मण इन इट, इज देयर अ क्षत्रिय इन इट, इज देयर अ वैश्य इन इट, इज देयर अ शूद्र इन इट? नो, गीता doesn't tell you that. They tell you that there is a wise man who you call Brahmin, but somebody is conveniently saying there's a wise man. There's a soldier whose job is to defend you. And there's this noble human being who does his day-to-day things. And then there's a servant. Those are the rules of Gita says. Nobody says Brahmin tea, tu, ta, ta. But there's misinterpretation. Correct? And how do I know that? Because I'm sitting and doing it. And for the first time in history, in a book recording, we are changing the book of the original author. Because why? I don't want Mr. Nautiyal to understand, वो तो संस्कृत में पढ़ लेते हैं. But I want little kids to understand it. My cousin, उनको बोला annihilate का मतलब क्या? बोले तबाही. नहीं अंग्रेजी में बताइए टेकवानी साहब, annihilate का मतलब क्या? As a total destruction. And somebody says, not total destruction, it means nuking. मैं nuking और total destruction में क्या होता है? बोलते हैं टोटल डिस्ट्रक्शन में कहीं एक आदमी कहीं पुरानी बिल्डिंग से निकल के आता है, यहां तबाही माना लड़ने वाला, लड़ाने वाला, सब annihilation. So these are things when you come into communication, you do your little simple things. So opportunities are there. But first, यहां आने के लिए मुझे नहाना पड़ा. One of these days I just मुंह धो के चला जाता हूँ, बीबी बोलते ओए गीता पढ़ने जा रहे हो, मुंह धोने से काम नहीं चलेगा, नहा धो के जाओ. तो मम्मी कहती तुम्हें कहां से आ गया? नहीं, वो तो रोज नहा देती हैं, बट दिस वाज जस्ट एवरी एक्सक्यूज, शी हैज टू फाइंड न्यू एक्सक्यूज टू, इट्स टू मच ऑफ एन एफर्ट टू हैव अ बाथ. एंड मैं तो बोलता हूँ पानी है, आई हैव टू सेव वाटर. ना ना, नहा के जाओ. खैर, दिस इज द वे इट इज. सो व्हेन यू वर्क एंड व्हेन यू राइट एंड व्हेन यू डू थिंग्स, प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट यू हैव टू एंगेज पीपल. सुनना चाहिए. एंगेज के बाद क्या? आप सवाल पूछोगे. सवाल के बाद क्या? आप उनको एनलाइटन करोगे. ए क्या बोलती तू, क्या मैं बोलूं, सुन, सुना, आती क्या खंडाला. दिस सॉन्ग एंड टेक्स केयर ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग. क्या करूं, आके मैं खंडाला. खेलेंगे, कूदेंगे, नाचेंगे, गाएंगे, ऐश करेंगे, और क्या. सो व्हेन यू गो एनलाइटन, देन यू गो एजुकेटिंग. खंडाला में जाएंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, इट हैज अ रेंज, आई गेट अम्ब्रेला. Yes, after educating, you have to empathize with people so that they come on the same page with you. If you're not talking their language, they won't talk to you. So you've engaged. What have you done? I'll have to read this. I don't remember them by heart. There's a lovely story and the song that goes with it. We don't have. कहाँ गया? मेरे notes में था. So engage, enlighten, educate, and you empathize. Now, when you empathize with people, आप कंधे पे हाथ रखते हो, पर फिर क्या? आप कृष्णा अर्जुन को कहता है कि नहीं, ये तुम्हें करना है, तुम अपना कर्तव्य करोगे, तब यू कैन बी वन विथ मी. यू एलिवेट द पर्सन. नाउ व्हेन ऑल दिस टाइम व्हेन यू एलिवेटिंग एंड एजुकेटिंग, there's one basic foundation, like in new media, the foundation, internet, in all your communication, the basic foundation is ethics. It is important. And once you've taken all that, and of course neatly covered it in something that is entertaining. Engagement के साथ थोड़ा entertainment भी होता है, so that they don't get tired or fatigued. All right? And then the final payoff is empowerment. When you feel that sense of empowerment, the guy knows what, everything that you've taught them, they've learnt it. Every little person knows that कि at the end मम्मी शिक्षा देती है तो क्या होता है. अगर मम्मी का कहना मानता हूं तो क्या? I get a hug, I get a kiss, I get a chocolate, I get a movie. Translate it in any way what you want. But at the end, empowerment has to be there. So documentary, if you have any more questions, which you might have, never follow a linear path. Never follow a linear path. Because गांधी जी पैदा हुए, गांधी जी मरे. तो हीरो की जब कहानी बनी, तो पहले एटनबरो ने गांधी को मार दिया शुरू में. तो once the hero is dead, लॉरेंस ऑफ अरेबिया में वही किया, मार दिया हीरो को. So now you're relaxed. You know the end of the film. Yes. है ना? तो फिर क्या हुआ? You can take the story anywhere and you can end it anywhere. Now, end it anywhere, I could say today's lecture is lunch is served. But any questions, any inquiries, Ramesh at docsandshorts.org. Ramesh at docsandshorts.org. Docs and Shorts is an organization that takes care of everything minus Bollywood, because Bollywood doesn't need anybody. They live in their own world. And we can help you in information of any kind of filmmaking. If I don't know it, I have enough people that I can call up and find out, and we will try and find the solution for you. But as far as storytelling goes, I can help you all the time. Thank you.
Thanks very much, Mr. Tekwani. I think absolutely scintillating both morning sessions, Mr. Nautiyal's session as well as Tekwani's session. I don't know, have you ever seen a scientist speaking so well on audiovisual medium? The way, in such a depth, he has, told you the nuances of science filmmaking writings. Mr. Tekwani, I know him for past 8-9 years. We were in Cannes together. Actually, he has taken, he's a person who has taken documentary as a movement. It's not money-making business for him. I have seen him in Cannes Festival. We were together that particular year. We visited more than 100 country pavilions there, collecting. I was selecting feature films for Goa Film Festival. And for Docs and Short, he started his organization, Doc and Short, purely for documentary promotion, actually. This is his brainchild. And he has been very active member of IDPA, Indian Documentary Producer Association, which is sort of apex body for documentary filmmakers in India. I think, he has been able to sensitize all of you about the documentary promotions. There are a lot of avenues. You go to internet and just search the best of film festivals for documentary promotion. You'll get more than 100 festivals which have been doing wonderful work for the documentary promotion. So maybe one of your first work you can share with any of the festival, and that will be sort of launching pad for you. So once again, I thank all three guests present here today. It is an honor and privilege for us to have all of you here. Thanks so much, and we'll break for lunch. And if you have some questions, Mr. Tekwani is here. I think we should take a few, 2-3 questions. Then we'll finish the session. Next session is 2 o'clock. Guest is already on the way, so 2 o'clock sharp we'll begin next session. Thank you so much. I think we can take 2-3 questions. Thanks so much.
It was a wonderful presentation and really enjoyed it.
Thank you.
One thing this I wanted to clarify, what I was saying was that it's not necessary that whatever we write or whatever we make is for everybody, but we should at least have some prior expectation that we are making it for these people. Once the target is clear, then we'll be doing it much better. And as you very rightly said, that at that time we have the one person as audience in mind and did everything. Similarly, what I was saying was that we should know that this is our target audience and we should be prepared. As I said, कि जोर का झटका zero से लगे. Later, if we know that only one person has bacteria prepared, that is how we have timed it. So I think the audience, as you said, is very important to keep in mind before we proceed.
I think so for science films, nationally, we should pool in our resources so that no duplication of films, and all the resources or maximum resources can go into one type of film, so we can make the best type of film. And there are a lot of films that can be made. And I think organizations like IMC can help to do that.
I think that is a very good point. And secondly, one lacuna which I feel is there in our country. In other countries like USA or Europe, they make science films, they also make science literature, and that is not just targeted at the children. In India, whenever we talk of science popularization, most of the time what we mean is that we should be making films for children of 6th or 8th standard, whereas if you look at magazines or films in other countries, they are also targeted at different segments. There could be some films which are for the very young children. There are some films for adults who are not scientists, but they are not experts in science, but they have a certain level of intelligence and they would appreciate those documentaries or those movies. And this is not what we are doing here in the country. I think this gap has to be filled in.
Yes. And the point is, we do have an audience for it. I know that because I keep in touch with people of different sorts. And if a film is well made, there is no distinction. People will watch it. It's as simple as that, and some of them are even willing to pay for it. So, contrary to popular belief that people want things free, no. If a thing is well made, people are willing to pay for it. We do not have enough theatres in India. We need 30,000 theatres. And out of Bombay, Mumbai, there are theatres being made and being sold, but right now there aren't enough. I'll take this theatre bit offline. But yes, we do need to make films for everybody. The point is, who will do it? It's as simple as that. Now, it's people like you who work with certain organizations and who can do that. And perhaps people like me who can make good stories and present can help you do it or even make it. It's a way of telling the story, and we all know how to do it, but we have to find the right kind of people, the right kind of ears.
You're also advertiser. Your like contribution advertising department also.
Yes.
As a filmmaker, right? We talk about social media or the internet and ethics. When you talk about science-based film making, so how the ethics are applicable in science filmmaking?
How ethics?
Yes.
Madam, a lot. A lot. Because in every piece of communication, especially science, है ना? अभी मैं चंद्रमा की पूजा करता हूँ, सूर्य की पूजा करता हूँ, है ना? और सडनली वो उसने अपने जूते जाके रख दिए मून पे. आप सोचो, I'm being very, I'm taking a slightly stretched example. But somewhere this sentiment is now being used for, wrong kind of stopping things. If you use your sentiment, hurts my religious sentiment, so say sorry and move ahead, okay. But that's not what is happening. There's destruction happening. But ethics, it may not appear to you now, but somewhere, okay, let me give you a very simple example of ethics, and this has happened. Genetically modified foods. Scientists in India have said, yes, these foods are good. And are they crooks? No, they're dumb. And you call them scientists. They only see production. Do you know what a genetically modified food does? I went to Monsanto and they told me to make a film. And so what does this food do? Oh, we don't have to put pesticides, so no polluting the atmosphere. So where do you put the pesticides? Well, in the seed. So I said, now you want to put the seed in my stomach. So no, that won't happen to you, but we'll have increased production. I said, yeah. So I said, our farmers are so clever, then next year they'll create their own seeds and not buy for you. Then they said, no, they have to keep buying the seeds from us. So I said, now you sell it for 10,000. When all the seeds you make, you'll go to 15,000, 20,000, a lakh of rupees. They didn't call me for the film afterwards. But that's what they are. Now, what happens is genetically modified foods, if you grow them, The grass also gets affected by it. The damn goats eat it, cows eat it. Now they kill the bacteria that digest their food. So even though they eat their food, they starve because the food digesting bacteria is killed by the constituents of the grass. And what do? And scientists have said, okay, we have a carbon footprint that is lower than most of the world, and they are selling our carbon credits to America. Why? Science, ethics, no? क्या कह रहे हैं carbon? थोड़ा सा घास फूस. They're sending all their, rotten cathode ray tubes to India for disposal. Why? So this is it. Any more? I'm sorry, huh? Because one of the reasons of documentary is this, that this is somewhere where, today, I would not ask them to send a card. Sorry, you were there. Who's that?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that was mine announcing time.
Sir, for commercial films, they are producers. They put their money for their business. For documentaries and other science films, they won't earn money. Then why, to whom we should approach the producers, sir?
I told you that right in the beginning. If you have a good project, work it out. And then what we can do is you go to places where there are pitching sessions. Their commissioners and editors come there and they will see your pitch. So the first 3 days of a pitching session, professionals help you create your pitch. After doing that, somebody or the other will, tell you, I'm interested in your film. And then it'll take another 6 months or so
But
to...
you can't produce money for that, no, sir.
Can't produce money, meaning?
Business, it's a kind of business, they won't get their money returned back for that, no.
Of course they'll pay you money for it.
Who will pay, sir?
The commissioning agents or the TV channels.
TV channels. Yes.
You got it now?
Most of the documents, they won't telecast on television.
Look for Doc Edge.
People on social media, like YouTube only, they will upload the documentaries. Or
Please.
on television.
But if I had that channel today, the money that I would have made, I make money making films outside. That money could have gone to fund documentary filmmakers initially, 5,000 rupees for research is enough for a guy to travel 5,000-10,000 rupees. Of course, you'll have to give back part of your earnings, but that dekha jayega. But perhaps I might start it. I might start it once again, to start a channel where the money earned is meant for your benefit. It is in the pipeline. Because 100 clicks, supposing 100 clicks give you 1 rupee. I've got 100 filmmakers with me, 1 click gives me 1 rupee. Because I'm the channel owner, so 1 click gives me 1 rupee, but you get nothing. So in reality, that 1 click is the rent you're paying me to make 1 rupee. But that's not it. If that money is collected tomorrow, it can be recycled back for documentary. When we are trying to get theatres from the government to, show films, documentary films, and give money to people, and it is possible. We're trying to work that out, but we'll figure out how to do that. That we can take offline. Anything else? No matter what you read on the internet where people say that there is no money, I know one filmmaker, poor filmmaker, has bought a 4 crore flat in Kolkata. Somebody else down south is doing good work. Of course, the other guy has been working for 32 years. 32 years working on a subject. How do you pay him for a film? By the minute, 10,000 rupees a minute, he makes an half-an-hour film, I pay him 3 lakhs, 30 lakhs. He's put a lifetime to it. How do you value that film? So we must understand that. For that, you have to have a decent person even in the ministry to understand that. And as long as you go for the lowest common bid, it's not going to work. And then there are crooks on filmmakers who win awards and do things, and when they become entitled, then they say, oh no, we don't need a script to make a film. If I'm shooting animals, what script can I write? Yes, you can write. I'm going to follow the life of so-and-so goat. From the time she gets her birth to the time she goes and she gets slaughtered on Bakri Eid. And then I will come and I say, hey, we can go one more step. After she's been slaughtered, we will show this guy in how many houses he's delivered the meat and how that meat can be made into 25 different delicacies. And then somebody will say, if you eat red meat, you will get cancer, you will get diabetes, you will get... So you can take a story anywhere, but you follow the story of the goat. isn't it? A document, you can't say that. No, because, you won one award, so therefore, I got an award. When I was working in ISRO, they gave us a piece of paper called Distinguished Achievement Award. I was showing off. So somebody says, क्या है सबको मिला, प्यून को भी मिला. I said, how many of us were there? 7,000. What was the population of million? 700 million. So I'm still a select choice few. Big deal here. I mean, award is just a stepping stone to your next step forward. There is money in documentaries. As I said, you have to try and get it before you made your film. Afterwards, nahi. If you tell mummy, I want aloo ka paratha, damn good. If she makes baigan bharta, you don't like it, though it may be fantastic. Any more questions? There's also, all of you can go on Docs and Shorts, register there if you wish to, as students or as filmmakers, correct? Because we are trying to create a community that will help. If one day all of you are generous and you give 10 rupees each, and 1 lakh of you give 10, then we have a lottery and we can give it to Mr. Makarand Brahme to make Tritiya. That's called nepotism.
I like that.
Always treat the world lightly. Any more questions? Otherwise, I think lunches are waiting. Thank you very much.